Good morning, friend. Today topic related to discuss chapter 14. Already we have started. We have completed one lecture related with the mean, and we are discussing in this chapter group data. So in group data, we know that class must be there. So in first lecture, we have already find out mean by direct method. So in last sum direct method, we are doing by one sum whose value is already x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Formula of direct method, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So we can get answer 62. Now same answer again we can get by which method? Today's topic is assume method. In assume method again we can get same answer, but method is changed. So I hope that exercise 14.1 you can complete it 1, 2, 3, 4 sums in your rough book by direct method. Today we go for the assume method. So what is the difference between direct method and assume method? What is the meaning of assume? गुजराती में assume मतलब आपने let the number, आपने कोई एक mean assume कर लिया and answer should be near to it. Answer यानी नजदीक में होना चाहिए. So that way we are starting. So already one question related with direct method. We have get value of class. That is we know that and in the class now how many 15 difference is 15. 10 to 25, 25 to 14, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. Up to class is given. Now number of students frequency fi it is given. So 2, 3, 7, 6, 6 and 6. Now class mark what? How we can find out class mark? Anyone say how we can find out class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 15 plus 25, that is 35. 35 divided by 2, that is 17.5. Same thing, 25 plus 40, that is 65 divided by 2, that is 32.5. Now we know that we cannot continue doing like that because we are wasting our time in exam. So how we can go further now? Further difference. See the difference. 17.5, 32.5. Difference is 15. So we have to go through 15. Every time add 15. 32.5 plus 15, that is 47.5. Again plus 15, that is 62.5. Again plus 15, that is 77.5. Again plus 15, that is 92.5. Now important is for assume mean, the formula related first of all, that is x bar. X bar is equal to a, that is assume, we can say. After assume that is a, that is assume we are. So a plus sigma, that we know what is the meaning of sigma, matlab sum, fi. So here one new thing is there, dr. What is the meaning of d? Means deviation. So again I have to explain what is the meaning of d. D means deviation. That is called d. And that is sigma fi. We know that sum of frequency. So already know that sum of frequency, if I do that, then we can get answer 30. Already know that. Now here di, that is deviation. So how much deviation we are from assume mean a, that is called assume. So where we have to take a, that is important. Now how to find out a, or where we have to put value of a, that is important. So how many observer classes are there? You will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 classes are there. When 6 classes are there, you can take anywhere a, either third or fourth. Either third or fourth. Generally formula is 6 divided by 2. N divided by 2 or 6 divided by 2, that is third. So we have to assume by third class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So related with the 6, generally we can give for third. If 5 is there, then what we have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4 and if I remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to take middle. but here 6 observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is third. So class mark માં જે third છે we can take assume as a. What we have to assume? Assuming, let me assume that a is equal to 47.5. Here these are all xi, we know. These are all the xi. Now how I will find out di first? Di is equal to xi minus a. What is xi? 17.5. So 17.5 minus 47.5. What you will get answer? 17.5 minus 47.5 minus 30. So I have to write minus 30 right here. Second, di again 32.5. So 32.5 is for understanding. Don't write like that. And I am looking for understand how you will get value. 32.5 minus 47.5. 32.5 minus 47.5 minus 15. I have to write minus 50. Again here 47.5 0. Now shortcut method, because it will be consumed over time in exam. So how we can do it? Wherever you assume a, always assume a from x side, don't from fi. Fi માંથી a assume કરવાનું હોય નહીં, only assume a from x side. Wherever you assume a on same, ત્યાં di માં શું put up કરવાનું 0 always. Wherever you assume a, any સામે always di માં 0. Now what is our difference? If you see what is our difference? 15. Each time 15 difference is there. So we have to go 15 15 up and go 15 15 down. So above we are negative and below we are positive. So above minus 15, again 15 add to minus 30. If I will go downward, then 15, here 30, here 35. So directly we can do. We can get 45. How we can get 45 again? Xi. If I want to find out this 45, how I will get 45? Then di is equal to xi, that is 92.5, minus or assume 47.5. What do we get answer? 45. But it is not necessary to like that. Already we have given you shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? Wherever you assume a equal to 0 in di, above you have to take negative and below you have to take positive. In above means minus 15, minus 15. In below means 15, 30 and 45. Now in order means what we have to do? Fi di. What we have to do? Fi di. How we can get Fi di? So f into Fi, that is 2 into minus 30, that is minus 60. Again 15 into 3, that is minus 45. Here it is 0. 6 into 15, that is 90. 30 into 6, that is 180. 45 into 6, that is 270. Now what we have done, writing with blue, so you can understand it. So 270. Now what we have to do? Total. Negative, negative, positive. So here minus 105. All are positive. So these three terms, positive plus 15 and 9, that is 24. Carry 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 and 5. So plus 540 minus 105. 540 minus 105. 10. Here 3 and here 4. So we can get positive 435. Again I am explaining how we get 435. First of all, you have to negative negative positive, that we have had all terms are positive, first of all we have to add it. So 540. Now simplify, we can get 435. Now formula x bar is equal to a, that is our assume mean, that is answer must be near to it, or we can say plus or minus. So 47.5 is equal to a. So formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now what we have get answer anyhow? 62. Let me try that we can get correct answer or not. So x bar is equal to a. What is a? 47.5 plus sigma fi di. What is sigma fi di? 435 divided by sigma fi, that is 30. Now we have to simplify this. If we simplify and cancel it, we can get answer compulsory 62. It depends on you how you divide it. It depends on you how you will divide it. I am dividing by 435 divided by 30. So I am divided by 3. So I will get here 10. If you divide by 3, you can get it. I am dividing by 3 this. 3 ones are 3. 13 is there. 3 fours are 12. 1 carry 15. 3 5s are. So 14.5. Why? Because 10 is there. So 145 divided by 10. So I will get 14.5. So 47.5 plus 14.5. What you will get answer? 5, 5, 10, 8, 62. So again mean is same. We can get mean same by either we do it by assuming or direct. Mostly students are doing the direct method, but it will make mistake in calculation because big digits are there. હવે જો અહીંયા કેટલો big digit આવ્યો, અહીંયા કેટલો small digit આવ્યો. If you will see, all are small digits. So again I have explained how we can get assume mean, how we can get mean by assuming method. Assume mean થી આપણો આન્સર કઈ રીતે મળે, that we have to discuss. In direct last lecture we have completed one sum with the direct method and we can get answer 62. Now related with the assume mean method. So class is given, frequency is given. What we have to find out first? Xi. How we can find out xi? Xi can find out from 10 plus 25 divided by 2, 25 plus 40 divided by 2, 40 plus 55 divided by 2. But don't go further because already we know the difference of these. 10 plus 25, that is 35 divided by 2, 17.5. 25 plus 40, that is 65 divided by 2, 32.5. Now difference is 15. So go through 15, 15, 15. So 15, 47.5, again 15, 62.5, again 15, 77.5, again 15, 92.5. Now what we have to do? Again, now important, this is deviation. What is the deviation? मतलब क्या difference है? So how we can find out formula is di is equal to xi minus a. So where we have to assume mean, that is a. Where we have to assume a, we have to find out a from the xi. So क्या xi में we have to, where we have to select at the middle. If 5 classes are there, then we can say middle. But 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is third class. First, second, and third class I have to assume a. Wherever you assume a, always put di is equal to 0. Why? Because xi minus a. Xi is 17.5. But here xi is 47.5 and a is also 47.5. So we can get answer 0. What we have to write about? Difference is 15. So upper में negative. So minus 15 minus 30. नीचे always positive. 15, 30, 45. If you do it by this formula, we can get same answer. You will check 62.5 is equal to, how we get 15? Xi is 62.5 minus 47.5, we can get 15. difference is 10, then minus 10, minus 20, minus 10, minus 10, 20, 30, 40. But here difference is 15. So we go above 15 and below 15. Now a 5 di, that is minus 30 into 2, that is minus 60, minus 15 into 3, that is minus 45, 0 into 7, that is 0, 15 into 6, that is 90, 30 into 6, that is 180, 45 into 6, that is 270. So if you total it, we can get 435. So 435 divided by 30, we can get 14.5. So 47.5 and 14.5, that is 62.62. So x bar is equal to 62. So now again exercise, again homework, exercise 14.1. Homework, exercise 14.1, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Do it by assuming method. You will get same answer as you have already completed this with the direct method. Direct method માં જે રીતે સમસ્યા હતા same way you will get answer. So in each lecture we can take one method. So in mean there are 3 methods, assume direct method, assume mean, and now in next we can go on step derivation. Afterward we go on mode and mean. Thank you.